dishwasher, yeah, from the hood, I came from none, all I learned from living in the hood, how I learned how to wash dishes, so when I get a job, I can wash dishes, if you ain't money, we can wash your occupation, well, if you ain't getting money, work your occupation, yeah, when I wash dishes, I don't wear fucking apron, yeah, with more girl, they have to be specific, yeah, I don't give a fuck, you gotta be specific, I don't like hoes, I don't girls that can be loyal. You girl when he want me hit the jackpot. Yeah, when the girl ready to work, ain't come hang around me. When she come see me, yeah, when she hang around me, when she cook, I give her dishes for her. And she talks about how bad she talks about how bad you are lazy, how bad you are, and that makes her sad. Yeah, when she really likes me, cause I could know how bad she is. I could know how bad she wants to be with me inside of you. Yeah, shout out Big Scribble. And me and him drop 2 songs. Those 2 songs drop like a bomb. Yeah. Girls on dates come wanna be hoes. I don't fuck with that shit. I swear I'd rather make money than the girl. Yeah, all I do is make money, get a job, and torture me. And I'm like playing people on nowadays doing drugs. I'd rather get a job. Mans are so clean, I don't fuck around with the bad drugs. I'll be doing smoking, and besides that, drinking, and also be drinking, chilling, living life. If you don't know how I'm doing that, living good, doing good, getting money. If you're not getting money, work occupation, fuck around people. Yeah, be careful what you say. At this gunna, and that shit can accomplish and look that shit on my YouTube channel. Yeah, be careful what you say. Yeah, be careful what you say. Yeah, I got a job, I grind every day. Like GTA 5 and grind every day. You want something good in the game, you gotta grind for that shit. Every day is a grind, we're working around, playing something good, and you gotta work for hard as grinding in the game that you play every single day. I'd rather be chilling, living life. Yeah, I'll vote dishwasher. Yeah, if I go back, if I get a job, if I get an L, make sure you get a dub, make sure you win. Yeah, get a dub up. I'd rather be chilling, living life. Yeah, and I'm losing. Back, take a dub. I take it every single day, hustling, keep my money up. Yeah, thank God I have a job, keep money. Yeah, shout out Big Scribble. Yeah, cause he know G. I always gotta shout him out, cause he's my G. Yeah, dishwasher. Yeah, dishwasher. If there's a hater on the dish, make sure I wipe it off. That was rather keep making money and live. I gotta be thankful for making money. Cause there's no money to live on a tree, so I make sure to make that money up, get that stack up. No, I ain't broke, I'm stacking up. Dishwasher. Yeah, dishwasher. Yeah.